So anyway, I'm back. I probably shouldn't make a big deal. I should apologize for that. I'm sorry. I had a little bit of a health issue, and anyway, it's all good. Everything will be fine. So, you know, back into it. Might as well start with a Vincent. Anyone that's into motorcycles, like, you know, it's a Vincent. I mean, it's kind of you can't get much more iconic. I mean, it's just such a beautiful engine. I'm very fortunate enough. I've been asked to collaborate with Logan Robison and Matthew, Big Sid's son, who was the Vincent god. I feel so fortunate to be part of this. And a Vincent motorcycle I've wanted my whole life. Unfortunately, I haven't got one, but at least I'm getting to work on one and contribute to building one. So this is going to be fun. And I think we'll do most of the body work with polished aluminium.